For those who want to go deeper in pursuit of game, Nemo has teamed up with First Light to introduce a collection of overnight gear like none other previously designed, keeping you warmer, drier, and more comfortable in the backcountry. Blending technical design features to handle a wide range of conditions, Tracker is our most versatile ultralight backcountry tent. From warmer days chasing early season elk to late fall when a snow squall can catch you by surprise, Tracker shelters you from it all and packs small so you can stay nimble in the backcountry. Starting with an asymmetrical design to further shave ounces, Tracker provides maximum headspace and usable gear storage, while the tapered foot end creates a streamlined profile to ease wind exposure. Offered in 1- and 2-person models, each shelter is equipped with an equal number of doors and vestibules for a well-balanced weight-to-space ratio. Tracker's floor is built on our premium 15D silicone-coated nylon ripstop and single-seam construction for greater protection and tent longevity. Perfectly matched footprints are available for both models to protect against sharp rocks and other abrasive ground materials. From there, we kitted Tracker with higher 20D nylon ripstop walls to protect you when the temps drop so you can face the ever-changing weather of the backcountry. We finished the canopy with our durable no-seam mesh to keep bugs and condensation out of your shelter. Color-coded DAC Featherlight poles boast minimal weight and connect with a single hubbed intersection for an intuitive, lightning-quick setup. Our patent-pending Flybar volumizing pole clips greatly increase interior volume by widening canopy mesh at your head. Flybar's flexibility distributes tension more evenly to eliminate stress points in the fly. Reflective orange triangulated guy-outs and corner struts increase volume at the foot, protecting sleeping bags from tent wall condensation and helping with visibility at night. Our premium ultralight 15D nylon ripstop fly is reinforced with a silicone treatment for increased durability and the most reliable and technical weather protection possible. And Tracker's full coverage rainfly and snow skirt protect you when the snow rolls in so you can cover greater distances no matter what the forecast holds. Large doors and vestibules offer easy access and ample gear storage for each person. And Tracker's attachable landing zone offers an exterior waterproof zone to keep essential gear organized and dry. Light pockets turn your headlamp into a tent lantern, providing a warm glow through tonal light diffusing fabric. And our Divvy stuff sack was designed to allow you to split the weight with a hunting partner. Whether you're chasing early season bulls or headed out to fill a late fall tag and know the weather is going to throw everything at you, Tracker is the answer for those who demand an ultralight shelter that can take you across many landscapes and conditions. And like all Nemo products, your Tracker comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of expeditions.
We chose the name Dirigo because it's the state motto of Maine. In Latin, it means I lead, which is something we at Hyperlight Mountain Gear strive to do with every product that we make. The cool thing about having worked with this material for a long time now is understanding which materials are best in what applications. We use 5 different types of Dyneema products in this tent. We found what works best for a floor, what you need on the outside. We've also, in this tent, used a couple of panels of a breathable Dyneema fabric. You have that at your head and your foot when you're in the tent to try and help with venting and combat condensation, basically. We learned a lot through the process of making this tent about triangles. Triangle is the strongest geometric shape, it distributes the force and tension evenly through all points. And when you look at the Dirigo too, you're gonna see that everywhere. And not only does it look cool, but it's really adding a lot of strength and stability throughout the thing too. We knew putting our 2 poles on the sides, we needed something connecting those 2 on the top of the tent to make it super strong. So we decided to use carbon fiber. Whether you're using trekking poles or adjustable poles or paddles or anything, go into these 2 reinforced cups. So it sort of, connects everything together, and it's just super strong. I mean, it's gonna hold up. You can grab it and shake it and the thing's not going anywhere. My goal is to always keep, our designs like as simple as possible. So giving our users exactly what they need and nothing more. With the Dirigo 2 was no different. We got it to where we wanted it to be and then literally took every little piece that went into the tent and weighed it. Maybe we could shed a few grams if we changed this here, but we're never going to do it and sacrifice the durability or the usability of the product. The result is a 28-ounce, two-person shelter that incorporates the rainfly, mesh, and the bathtub floor in one badass integrated structure.
MSR's thru-hiker Mesh House 1 was designed for solo long-distance backpackers seeking to shed weight while maintaining essential protection on extended trips in the backcountry. Like all Mesh House models, the Mesh House 1 may be paired with an MSR thru-hiker 70 or 100 wing, sold separately, for wind and rain protection. Mesh houses may be set up with trekking poles, optional accessory poles, or trees. To set up your Mesh House 1, spread out the tent. Stake out the four corners tightly. Stand your trekking pole near the front of the tent and draw the cord of the tent up and over it, pulling it taut. Stake the cord out about 1.5 meters, 5 feet from the tent. The Mesh House 1 may also be set up with a tree to eliminate the need for poles. To attach the Mesh House to a thru-hiker wing, clip the cord to the webbing loop in the wing. When you return home, ensure that your shelter is clean and dry, and store it uncompressed to help prolong its life. To learn more about MSR's thru-hiker series of shelters, please visit msrgear.com.
Hi, this is Tim with SlingFin, and today I'm going to walk you through the features of our ultralight modular shelter, the SplitWing.
The SplitWing is an incredibly lightweight, versatile trekking pole shelter for one or two uncompromising minimalists, with a trail weight ranging from 7.9 to 21 ounces, depending on the configuration. There are 4 mix and match components to the SplitWing shelter: the SplitWing tarp, the floor, the vestibule, and the mesh body. They are all available separately, but the tarp, mesh body, and vestibule can be purchased together as a bundle for a discount. The most minimal configuration is the SplitWing tarp by itself, at a trail weight of 7.9 ounces. Thanks to its closed footbox and front wings, the SplitWing provides superior weather coverage compared to traditional shaped and flat tarps. Using the tarp by itself, the wings at the opening allow you to adjust the front trekking pole to a range of heights and still achieve a top pitch. Set it as low as 100 centimeters for an extra wide pitch with a small wind profile, or as high as 130 centimeters for tons of headroom when you're flying solo. The tarp is made from premium silicone-coated Type 66 nylon. The silicone coating won't hydrolyze like PU coatings and absorbs less water, which means it doesn't sag as much as PU-coated fabrics when it gets wet, and also makes it extremely resistant to mold and mildew growth. The SplitWing can withstand serious weather thanks to its strategically placed reinforcements, 9 perimeter stakeout loops, and 2 side guide-outs. Entry and exit are made easy by wire gate clips on both of the wings. 3 ceiling O-rings allow you to hang gear or a clothesline. The guide-out loops at the head and foot apex of the tarp allow you to pitch it without trekking poles if you find yourself among well-placed trees. The removable floor has adjustable front corner stakeouts, so it can accommodate various pitch widths of the tarp. It also doubles as a footprint underneath the mesh body. In dry weather, it makes a fantastic ground sheet for cowboy camping. The anti-slip dots help you stay on top of it even if you move around in your sleep. The SplitWing vestibule gives you more dry space for your gear and provides extra protection from winds and driving rain. It only weighs a scant 1.9 ounces. Both sides of the vestibule can be rolled back for easier entry and exit. The vestibule requires no additional stakes. The SplitWing tarp and vestibule together provide a cushy 37.8 square feet of sheltered space. The SplitWing mesh body is a full coverage, super lightweight bug shelter that's designed to mesh perfectly with the SplitWing tarp. The mesh body has 3 ridgeline toggles and 2 side toggles that match up with the O-rings on the interior of the SplitWing tarp. Although it was made to fit the SplitWing tarp, the SplitWing mesh body can be easily adapted to fit a variety of other flat or shaped tarps. The side toggles on the mesh body correspond to the external guy-outs on the SplitWing tarp, so guying out the sides of the tarp gives you boatloads more volume inside the mesh body.
Once attached, it stays connected to the SplitWing tarp during setup and takedown, so it goes up fast and pitches dry even when set up in the rain. 3 internal Ridgeline O-rings provide gear hanging options, and pre-installed spare zipper sliders with our zipper garage extend the life of your zippers. It comes with 2 guy lines with pre-attached O-rings, so you can set it up by itself to keep the creepy crawlers at bay on dry nights. The mesh body comes in a generously sized stuff sack that's designed to fit all the components of the SplitWing shelter so you can keep everything in one place. This also frees up your SplitWing and vestibule stuff sacks for other fun stuff, like holding all the money you saved by not buying a Dyneema shelter. The mesh body uses a durable PE-coated floor fabric that resists hydrolysis and won't absorb water. Add on the vestibule, and you get a true double-wall, full-coverage tent that weighs under 1.5 pounds. The SplitWing is perfect for hikers who want the huge weight savings of a tarp, but still want to maintain the protection and comfort of a double-wall tent. The SplitWing has the modularity and versatility to adapt to a huge range of climates. Whether you're going for your Triple Crown or just trying to lighten your load for the weekend, the SplitWing will keep you sheltered without weighing you down.
Hey guys, Lauren here with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about the Battle Mountain 2 and 3 mountaineering tents. The Battle Mountain is a spacious, 4-season, lightweight mountaineering shelter built with bomber base camp materials made to withstand the most rugged of high alpine adventures. The golden yellow color of the Battle Mountain was requested by Shearing Dorje Sherpa, a Big Agnes ambassador and friend who has summited Mount Everest 16 times. The yellow hue honors the Tibetan Buddhism goddess of prosperity and good fortune, Myo Losangma. Her skin is golden yellow, so when Shearing sets up his tent, it will stand out as a tribute to her. The DAC NSL pull system with press-fit connectors and lightweight hubs, paired with DAC oversized twist clips, easily attached to the pull system even when wearing gloves. This was a specific request from Shearing so he could quickly and easily set up multiple tents while guiding on the tallest peaks in the world. The Battle Mountain 2 and 3 feature 2 doors and 2 vestibules. Both doors feature 2 closure options, mesh only for ventilation, or zip up the nylon layer for complete closure. The vestibule door options include 1 single zip door and 1 double zip door designed to be set up as an awning using trekking poles. Storm flaps on the vestibule zippers ensure a protected zipper, and color-coded webbing and poles make for an easy and intuitive setup. The inside of the tent features 3 oversized 3D bin pockets that provide ample storage without encroaching on livable space. High and low internal guy loops provide extra stability in high winds, while Velcro tabs connect the fly to the pole structure to provide a perfect pitch and increased stability. 2 fly vents provide increased airflow and reduced condensation, or are fully closable in extreme weather. Other bomber features include heavy-duty reflective guy lines and reflective webbing paired with oversized stakeout loops to be used with skis, ice axe, or ski poles. With so much experience summiting 8,000-meter peaks around the Himalaya, Shearing's input on the overall design of the Battle Mountain and his testing of them over the years is invaluable and solidifies it as one of the best mountaineering tents on the market.